Hi loves, your favorite girl is back. So if it's your first time seeing me, my name is Careey. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always being there. If it's your first time, kindly do subscribe. Yeah, road to 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we are at 960 subscribers, and I'm so happy, excited to do this journey with you all. I'm very excited. So, on today's episode, a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a question and answer. So, today, as I told you guys, anything that you want me to be doing, just tell me and I'll deliver. Yeah, so today we're doing a question and answer. Yeah, I have the questions here with me because I'm using my phone. I kept a question tag on Instagram. Some people asked me, so I'll answer them today. Yeah, and guys, don't mind the background noises. A lot of activities are happening here. We have a church, and also we have some kettles here. Yeah, so that's why I'm missing a mic. Yeah, I hope I'm audible enough. So on to the first question. Who are you? Okay, who are you? And I involve a lot of things, so I'm just going to say all of them. Uh, my name is Karen Cherono Kiplagat, 23 years old. Yeah, yeah, that's all. 23 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. Yeah, in a town called Eldoret. Eldoret City, actually. It became a city recently. Yeah, I'm from Eldoret. So, second question. Do you have siblings? Yeah, I have 3 siblings. Yeah, me being the last born. Do I look like a last born? Number 3. I don't know what's up with my camera. Oops, sorry. How has life been? Of course, life at times it's challenging, and at times it's giving. So it happens that when life is challenging, I always run to God. Yeah. And so far so good, my life is good, and I thank God for everything He's doing for me. I'm very grateful. I don't take it for granted. Yeah. Do you believe in marriage? How can you ask me that question? Of course I believe in marriage. Yeah. What? What keeps me going? I have a lot of questions, so don't mind while I'm looking down. What keeps me going? A lot of things. First thing, my family. My family imekuwa an encouragement to me so far. Yeah. So they keep me going. I love to the point that I remember I have a lot of things to be done. Yeah. I have a lot of plans for my life. Yeah. That keeps me going. Sitaki to give up. I never want to give up in life. I just want to keep pushing till I achieve whatever my heart desires. Yeah. Height. The last time I checked, I was 5'1". Yeah, 5'1". Any advice to the youth? So, an advice: just be you. Be you. Let no one decide anything for you. Yeah, alafu focus on yourself. Love yourself first. In anything you do, just love yourself think of yourself as the first person. Like, just love yourself. That's what I'm meaning. Alafu, time is everything. Yeah, so don't waste time. Time is everything. Manage your time. At this time, I need to be here, 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 here. I also have a problem in managing time. Like, when I turn 23, I'm seeing there are a lot of changes. Yep. Are you open to collabos? Of course. Although I'm a small YouTuber, but I'm open for collabos. Why did you stop vlogging? A lot has been happening. I went back to school, so I'm trying to manage vlogging and school. Yep. But I'll be consistent as I promised you guys. How are you mentally? Mentally, I'm fine. I'm perfect. I'm okay. Your dream car brand? A Mercedes, of course. On to the last question. Do you think you are a good friend? I know I am a good friend. Yeah, that's what I know. Because I treat people how I also want to be treated. So you need to be nice. It doesn't cost a thing. So that's all for today. If you have any other questions, kindly drop them in the comment section, and whatever you want me to do next, kindly write it down. I love you guys. Road to 1,000 subscribers.